Hello, my name is Anna Rose, and today I will be teaching you how to find the spanning set of a matrix. So to do that, you first need to make sure that you need to make sure that it is in row reduced echelon form, which it is. So let's put them into equations and then find the spanning set of the matrix. Okay, so that's going to be x2, because it's in the second position, plus 2x3, which is equal to 0. And the next one is going to be x4 is equal to 0. So remember, we have 3 free columns, 2 and 3, which is going to be x1 is equal to x1, x3 is equal to x3, x5 is equal to x5. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put this equation to put on the other side, which is going to be x2 is equal to negative 2x3. Okay, so then we can do extract each one. So x1 we will extract. That will be 0 for the first one. Oh, never mind. Let me go back. x1, so that will be 1 for x1. x2 will be 0, x3 will be 0, x4 will be 0, and x5 will be 0. And now we can do x3, and that will be 0 for 2, it'll be negative 2, for 3 it'll be 1, for 4 it'll be 0, and for 5 it'll be 0. Now last one, x5. For this one, it's going to be for 1, 0, for 2, 0, for 3, 0, for 4, 0, and for 5, 1. And that is your final answer. Okay, so here's another one where we will find the spanning set for it. So again, make sure it is in row reduced echelon form, which it is. Okay, so now let's write the equations for it. So the first one is going to be x1 is equal to 0. The second one is going to be x2 is equal to negative 3x3. Remember, we have 2 free columns, so that's going to be x3 is equal to x3, and the last one is going to be x4 is equal to x4. So now we can extract them, which is going to be x3 and x4. So it's going to be x3, which is going to be 0, negative 3, 1, 0, and x4, which is going to be 0, 0, 0, 1. This is your final answer. Okay, so for this one, again, we need to make sure it is in row reduced echelon form, which it's not, so let's do it. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, and that would be multiplying it by negative 2, so negative 2, 0, negative 2, 2. Same thing for this one, negative 3. Negative 3 is negative 6. Plus 6. Okay, 0. Negative 3, plus 3, 0. Okay, perfect. Now, let's simplify it, which that's going to be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0. Okay, perfect. So this should be in row reduced echelon form. I just kind of did a quicker method, but usually y'all should know probably how to do, row reduced echelon form. Or you can check out one of my other videos on how to, step-by-step, how to do row reduced echelon form. So now let's do the equations for this, which will be x1 is equal to negative 2x2. This one, x3, is equal to 0. We have a free column, which is the second one. So it's going to be x2, which is equal to x2. So we can take x2 out, and that will be negative 2, 1, 0. And this is your final answer. Please subscribe and like this video, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.